Can you really fully charge your Android phone in just 1 second without a charger? You've probably seen videos claiming it's possible, but is it real or just a trick? If you're in a rush with no time to charge, there's something you can do. Not magic, but a smart setting hidden deep in your phone. Let me show you how it works, step by step. Let's begin right now. On phone 1, first open your phone settings. Then tap on About Phone. Now tap on OS version 7 times until you see the notification. Developer mode has been turned on. On phone 2, open Settings, then scroll down and tap on About Phone. Tap on Software Information. Tap Build Number 7 times until you see the notification. Developer mode has been turned on. Solution 2. Activate Demo Mode. After enabling developer options, first open your settings. Then tap on the search bar and type Developer Options. Tap Developer Options from the results. Scroll down and find Demo Mode. Now your phone will display a full battery icon even if your battery is low. But when I turned Demo Mode off again, the real battery level reappeared. This feature is only for demonstration purposes and does not actually charge your phone. Many YouTube videos claim this method charges your phone instantly. Now you know it's not real. Now instead of demo mode, I'm going to show you the real settings that can help you improve charging speed. Real settings to charge faster. On phone 1, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Battery. Turn on Battery Protection and choose Basic to keep your battery healthy. Tap Back. Scroll down. Enable Fast Charging. Enable Super Fast Charging. And on your second phone, open your settings, scroll down and tap Battery. Now tap on Charging option. And from the charging mode, select Speed Up. But your device might heat up because of that. With these settings active, your phone will charge significantly faster. Some devices can reach 50% in about 15 minutes. That's all I wanted to share in this video. If it was helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss new helpful videos. Thank you for watching.